Le páirtna I buige mún an rochaí bogan cluthe idir Luimneach agus Tiobraid Árann sa Craobh Iomána Fé fethe ó níos sadcam go rá chéile I de híine. Tá Craobh Bombernacht súil ar an gceann seo.
The urchin Ross of shot. I'm going to see Gutig fair Limerick. Take the man Con Hayes, forcing him out. Con Hayes go glow to Harrison Sasson. Paid a 4 ticket. Agus Ganach on the Magilla Catain. Gilachul Lloyd and Curvin. Tipperary Shagusa Shannon years Nisor. Yamakama Toki. Egalon Tussa Hadiganchik. Gamu Lloyded. Agus he fought into Keen Scully. Captain of Fornia. Turish Afui. Tashi Tashtal go Crane. Oh, Shannon score Captain of Fornia. Keen Scully. Samuel Fairlock, Sashin Leitze and Thompson, Jack Collins, Cúna Collins, og English, Charina Shake on the move, Tan Dora Kyon, Tashi Tish, dig on the posty, and score, Carl English, the Fornia ho score, Clishte, Fitzgerald, Tashanta get a hole, Fotic him out with Pekoyke top. As he header Honik with Lewis for Emirates, Limney has to score, and gets by Shanta go cool all and shot. Flanagan, a tugach adama, testing score, Luimneach. Agus testing cool. He pulls oh, Orachor. Hey, Q Flanagan. Agus Shingadidach, if he went the ball. Aaron O'Halloran, Haitian Con, Gyara, Riso Horgan. Pishishan Imril Stua. Oh, Donchers Gancha, Agus be Kerkma cool, Egg Tipperary, well, Ta! Egg Oshino Donahu. Well, Woolshy fi Human lad Limney. Agus Nero, Tussa Hippadar, Gully Shinahole. You're Doncher, Stachatzo McCarthy. Darren Langan, old cheese. Doncher, Bonish Gancha, Vertigo Shlonu, G. Fortash McCarthy. Gary Ficasos, agus a race rug Tanya Shearer, mar sin Pocéad Caton.
144, 172L 1404, and 222L 144.
On the Oak, Intocha McCarthy.
There's no one.
Concha, Pulse, Corintian Coolbot at TV Kurt. Agus Nira, Shanta Gulbot and Chin. Agus Hina Card fought Ag Dar McCarthy. Agus Ta Rin Rosh and Chola Tipperary. English. To McCarthy le Seinnteoir fought to get Dara to Lewis Fee. Tasha loaded, Wucha Crean, Tasha Har and Sassan Capin. Shin score leg, Dara McCarthy. Dara for free roo. Liergus all in Dara be Kerkma score and shot. Ego Donahu. Agus Ta score. Hina do fought to get. See the row. Chasing to staff fought to get Harrington, Hashishin Aaron Saston, on score fought to Harrington. Agus should the coolie hit, or eat it. Horgan. Boiler more fought to get. Agus thought Tipperary growth to Gilioga the Bishochishin. Agus a Concha grew to Kapama, Agus Deta Shasha, Kirchner, Glyphisha, Tipperary, Guarantee cool, fought to cool. Agus a Kirchner Holland, Agus Shin, sending Butler and Tomshot. Agus well, Matt McCarthy and Coolall, Ta Butler and Coolall. Agus is Corama, go off Land Tipperary, that means tip to Tussie. Agus Puck Strass face on. Shinny, Agus Tuspuntas, Harkian or Falcharog, Tipperary, Tilta Gamahaku. Agus Shietson, Ta Hate, a gcluiche, a Rotal, Singracha, Luimneach, when he can call it a good and Clár Hurling. Ní raibh sé gága Tipperary an trúnúise agus an hagan siú cool háide bhí a Ross Richard.
We've seen Limerick last weekend against Clare and they were very, very hard luck that they didn't get a win at 6 Mile Bridge, so we knew how good they were, especially the start they got. But I was delighted when they got the penalty. We kind of won the next puck out and we kind of stayed in the game, which is, I suppose, always when you're line, you'll hope that your players will do that. And we've great character, but now I think there's more of an A&E department we need tomorrow with all the injuries. But no, I'm delighted with the way the lads played tonight.